Hey guys, so this would be a top-down analysis on GU guys. So we can see overall this is the monthly time frame, and we can see that overall GU is on a downtrend. We have this impulse, right? Correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Then we haven't broken this previous low. So as long as we haven't broken this previous low right here, this one's, then we are overall still on a downtrend, except if we come and have a possible breakout, right? Then we cannot say that there's a possibility that the market trend has changed to a downtrend, but as of right now, we're certainly on an downtrend overall. Um, but this will just be a smaller time frame because this is a bigger time frame just to be able to analyze the smaller time frame because I'm an intraday trader, so I can still see a buy, right? I can still see a sell because I enter my trade on the 15 minutes, but I just like to do a top-down analysis just to see the overall market. So my main concern, to be honest, is just the current price action right here, right? Because this is the monthly time frame. So now let's see what the market is doing. And that's current price action. We can see that we have a break of structure, which shows that the market is bullish, right? A break of structure, and it's now retracing to like the other block that caused that break of structure, which is around this area right here. So as we can see, which is around this area right here. So there is a possibility that the market might continue to push to the upside, right? So now I'm going to use my Fib point A to point B, and I'm going to target my negative 27% Fib level because 97% Fib level is like a TP area for me, right? So I use that in confluence with the market. So now this is what the market is. There's a possibility that the market might continue to tank to the upside for us to get to negative 27% Fib level, and there might be a possibility of a drop depending on how the market reacts around the area. So now let's go to my weekly time frame and let's see. We can see that based on the lower time frame right here, we have this other block that needs to be mitigated. It sort of aligns with my negative 27% Fib level, right? We can see right here. So let's see an imbalance. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I still think there is a possibility of it continuing to push to the upside. So let's see. So now we're gonna refine it. So let's refine the other block right here. This would be it. So this is where we have the internal change of structure, which is this. The internal change of structure was there. That's what the market is currently reacting at, right? And probably using this everything right here as a liquidity. Yeah, probably using that as a liquidity to continue to push to the upside. Let's see. We have an imbalance here as well. An imbalance. Okay. So now let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see. I certainly believe it will be on an uptrend, right? We can see that right here we have, let's just start from here. We have a break of structure. We have another break of structure here. We We have a mini structure here too. Make this valid, right? So we can see based on this current price market, we have like a mini change of structure, but for like an overall change of structure that I want us to break this previous high right here. That would be like the major break of structure, right? That would be like a major break of structure. And I want the market to sort of break here. So I want some sort of like a break here, then continue to ride. But let's go to smaller time frame and see. So we have here the market is currently reacting around this break of structure right here. That's where the current market is reacting at. So I think if we get a push, alright, if we get a push and break this previous one, then there's a possibility that we might break our major structure, which is this right here. So we just have to be patient to read price action, because trust me, price action is key. So now let's go to my daily time frame. Let's be mindful of this as well. This is also a valid entry. Alright, this is a valid entry. So we might push down there. Let's see. So that's a valid one to look out for, because this might just be a liquidity sweep for it to still push down. Yeah, I think I think it's probably push down. Let's see, I think it's a push down because I'm thinking this might be a liquidity sweep for us. I still think it's sort of going to push down. I think it's going to be liquidity sweeps. I think we're still going to push down to probably down here. That makes sense. There is no, let me see if there's no imbalance. Let's see. There's no imbalance though. Check my 15-minute. Okay, let's see. There is some sort of like an imbalance right here. So right around here. Okay. That's good. Then there is this imbalance right here from point A here to point B. Okay. Okay, that's valid. Let's see. I think this is like the didn't touch it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So you can see that. So before we actually sort of like, I still think we might push to the downside, because we can see right here we have a mini an internal structure that is broken with this bear candlestick. So there is that possibility that the market might still push. I think I'm a little bit more confident if the market push down and we take our entry, maybe probably somewhere around here, and we'll probably take our entry right here to push the upside. Yep. So that's what I think we might still push to the downside. Yeah, I think we might push to the downside. So let's see, valid 15. Nothing. I think we just for us to see if it's gonna push to the continue to push to the black parties lally, and maybe this. Let me see. This is also valid right here. Maybe this might be liquidity sweep right here. Let's see here. Let me see. 30 minutes. 45. No, there is no you see 15 minutes. We don't have an order block. We don't have an imbalance, so I don't trust us taking an entry around here. So I'm more comfortable taking an entry on this zone right here. Yeah. So for us to take the trade, you probably for sell. I don't want to sell, probably buy, but I think we might have maybe something like this. Then come in, then we might take a trade to this would be like a good TP area. Mm. Well, let's see how the market reacts because the market might push down or push up, right? Because we are on a very good zone right here because it's also rejected from this area right here, which is an area for the bigger time frame. So for us to buy, right? Let's see. For us to buy, we want it to break this previous high. So if you break this high right here, right? If you see this candlestick break and closes really good, then I think I'll be safe if it's closed here. Yeah, I think it's very more safe if it's closed there because that's what broke the action. Yeah. So I'm a very conservative trader. So I think I'll be more comfortable if it comes here and break. So if you have this internal break right here, right? And I'll buy. So if you have something like this, then we take an entry on a good to target this area right here. So that if we break this structure, then I'll be looking for a buy because I like to be open-minded. My mindset is you don't predict the market, you react to the market. So I like to be open to both sides just in case. So this would be like a good TP area if we break, like I said previously. So for a buy, move, this will be our TP. That if we get to this level right here, for this first scenario, this will be my TP, but for the second scenario, this will be my TP. So just have to wait and see how the market reacts. Then that will determine our next move. So this is my quick analysis on you guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.